In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, verify, and cite sources with Genspark. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a research question to confidently cited references in your document. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that you're logged into the right workspace, especially if you switch between personal and team projects. Once you're in, you're ready to start researching. Now, run your research query and wait for the results to load. Be as specific as possible with your keywords to get focused results. Include crucial terms, add a time frame if it matters, and use quotation marks around exact phrases. Give Genspark a moment to compile the findings. The brief wait helps ensure you get a comprehensive set of sources and synthesized insights. When the output appears, review the sources or references shown in the research results. Look for reputable publishers, recognizable journals, and clear author attribution. Pay attention to publication dates, the type of source, such as peer-reviewed article, news report, or official dataset, and any signals of credibility like citations or institutional affiliations. This quick scan helps you separate strong references from weaker ones. Next, open the cited pages or source cards to confirm the information. Don't rely solely on summaries. Click through to the original pages and verify that the key facts, numbers, or quotes actually appear there. Check context, methodology, and any limitations noted by the authors. If a claim seems surprising, read a bit more around it to ensure it hasn't been taken out of context. Once you're confident in a source, copy the source title, link, or publisher details you need. Capture the full article title, author or organization, publication date, and the stable URL. If the page lists an edition or update date, note that as well. Keep your copied details consistent to make citation formatting easier later. Add those sources to your document, notes, or report in your preferred citation style. Whether it's APA, MLA, Chicago, or another style, format each entry consistently and keep a running references section as you write. If your document uses footnotes or endnotes, insert citations right where you reference the information so you can trace everything back. Finally, double check that each claim in your research is backed by the correct source. Go line by line through your draft, match each statement to a citation, and confirm the source still supports what you've written. If anything doesn't align, revise the claim or replace the reference. That's it. Simple, accurate, and well-documented research with Genspark.